right here. Anticipating a pop, driving through 405. Then it should come right back for a retest and plummet if it's going to break through. Otherwise, if this can't hold, this 404.76 makes new low right here, I'm going to hammer the puts, right? Here's your 405. Should get a pop through. Anticipate a big pop right through this. Pull back retest. Careful. Remember I said it's going to pop and then it's going to pull right back, right? So just be careful.
Got my stop.
Yep, good job. All right, a pop through. Look for a retest at 405. Here's the retest right here. Here comes the retest. If it can't hold, you're going to get a huge knife drop. Nice.
Yeah.
Be careful. It's still dangerous here. Be really careful, okay? Okay, it's staying up above 405. That's a good sign. That's a good sign up to VWAP. We'll see if it can hold. Remember,
20%.
Now remember, you guys, you're still in a 2-minute EWO to the downside, right?
Yeah, it's a scalp.
Yep, so this is a scalp. Third candle. Staying up here. That's not bad. I like it. Q's had a nice rebound too. Okay, good deal. You guys are in a clear on that 405 up to VWAP. Whew. Everybody wipe their brow. Ooh, but now be careful on VWAP.
Eyes at VWAP too.
Thank you. Remember, you're still in a 2-minute EWO to the downside here on the Qs. As long as it's still below VWAP, it's still to the downside. Be careful. And there has been so much chop today.